by the way, any COBB order that's on our pp-fl.com website is coming with new COBB goodies as well for you. So check out online. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? If you've made it this far in the video, listen, man, we really appreciate your support. We just asked that if you could take a look at any of the products that we've mentioned in today's video at our website at www.pp-fl.com. We appreciate your support. We love that you guys support our small business. We really want to be able to bring you the best products, the best services, and some of the best content. So make sure you check us out at all of our social media. You need to hit the like button. You need to hit the subscribe button. You got to follow us on Facebook. You got to follow us on Instagram. All that stuff will be down below. Thanks as always. We'll see you soon.